Children, today I am going to start the science lesson of your 6th standard. The first science lesson of 6th standard is Caskets of Life. Today you have seen the lesson on TV, but then there is lot, so you have a confusion of what all to do. So teachers taking small videos and sending you. So whatever I tell you in the video, you need to do only that work from today onwards. So in your textbook, if you look, you can see that there is a girl called as Minnu, and she was walking in the garden and suddenly something bit her on the leg. When she looked at her leg, she saw that it was a very small ant and it was very painful for her. So the ant must have bit all of us, isn't it? So even if a very small ant bites us, it is very painful. Like the ant, there are lots and lots and lots of organisms all around us. If you go into the nature, you can see many types of organisms, from the biggest blue whale to the smallest ant. So there are a variety of organisms all around us. Now the first activity what you have to do is, you have been given a table in the textbook. If you read the names, you can see goat, elephant, camel, ant and horse is given in the textbook. The first activity what you have to do is, write down the names of these animals according to the size. Either you can write from the biggest animal to the smallest animal, or you can write from the smallest animal to the biggest animal. And they have a triangle is given there in your textbook. So you can write from the biggest to the smallest because ant is given there. Below ant, there are 3 vacant columns in the picture which is given in the textbook. So in that column, what have you to do? You have to fill up those columns with the smallest organism, that is organisms that are smaller than the ant are there. So any organism, you can go search and find out, and smallest animals, smallest organism smaller than the ant also you have to fill it. That is the first activity which you have to do in your science. For today, you do only that activity and write it in your science notebook. And your science notebook should be as neat as possible. When you are writing the table, if it is a triangle, you have to color it neatly and write the names of the organisms in their order of their size. Thank you.